This bar chart is showing the energy flow of a glass cup of boiled water being placed on a cold surface. In the ETH column, there would be 4 bars because the water was being boiled. Remember that ETH is the thermal energy of the system. There would be 4 bars, 2 bars, 1 bar, and half bars for the ETH column. 4 bars would be boiling, or 100 degrees Celsius. 2 bars would be room temperature, which would be between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. And 1 bar would be colder than freezing, which would be 1 degree Celsius. Half bars can be used for when the temperature is between either colder than freezing and room temperature, or room temperature and boiling. In the EPH column, there would be 2 bars because the phase is a liquid. For remembrance, EPH is the phase of the system. The phases being used are solids, liquids, and gases. Solids would be represented by 1 bar, liquids would be represented by 2 bars, and gases would be represented by 4 bars. The reason gases would be represented by 4 bars instead of 3 bars is because the particles in the gases have so much more energy than solids and liquids do. The ECH is the chemical energy of the system, but we won't be using ECH in our LOL bar charts. Since there are 4 bars in the ETH column and 2 bars in the EPH column, there would be 6 bars total. The circle in the middle, or the O, would represent the total amount of energy either being released or added into the system. The cold surface is the reason why there is a change of thermal energy. So we would draw 2 bars of energy being released with an arrow pointing out of the O. The energy being released is being released into the surrounding air or area. Underneath the O chart, we would put -2 bars to show the amount of thermal energy being released, or in some or other cases, being added into the system. In the final L of the bar chart, there would be 2 bars left in the ETH column because energy was being released. There wouldn't be a change in the EPH column because there wasn't a change in the phases. The system remained a liquid even after energy was transferred. Since we started with 6 bars and 2 bars of thermal energy were being released, there would be 4 bars left over. This is the LOL bar chart.